Good afternoon all. Welcome to presentation from Group 5. Before we begin, I would like to introduce my group member. Group member have Salwa Desya Susiana, it's me, Lutfiano Sandina, Fitria Nuraini, Intan Safitri, and Nova Triwidianto. Today we will present about giving a birth and simple pastime. Without further ado, I would like to welcome our presenter to start the presentation. Hello Anna, I heard that you just gave birth of a baby.
That's true.
Congratulations. Is it a boy or a girl?
Well, thank you so much. It's a healthy baby girl.
Sweet. I wish your new family a lot of lucky.
You're so kind. Thank you so much again.
Conversation 2.
Hi, Leah. I heard your mom born a new baby.
Yes, that's right. I have new brother now.
Congratulations for that. By the way, may I come to your home to see your new brother?
Sure, please come. The baby was so cute.
Nice. I will come tomorrow.
Okay, I'm waiting you.
Giving a birth, labor and delivery nursing. Behind almost every mother, there is a nurse, the one who helped her through the birth of her child. Labor and delivery, or LND, is one of the most recognizable nursing specialties and one that many aspiring nurses wish to pursue. Like any like any other specialty, however, it has its challenge and reward. Here are 7 things to know about L&D nursing. Number one, you build strong connection with your patient. Number two, assertiveness is a must and so is a sense of collaboration. Number three, you need an open mind. Number four, it it's not always happy. Number five, you've got option. Number six, you can take the next step. Number seven, it's amazing. Next. B. Thing labor and delivery nursing do. Labor and delivery nursing help bring people into the world every day. As a labor and delivery nurse, you will prepare women and their families for the stage of giving birth and help patients with breastfeeding after the baby is born. One thing you'll do, monitor the baby's heart rate and mother's blood pressure, time contraction, identify and assist with complication, help administer medication and epidurals, aid and inducing labor, prepare new mother for before, during and after pregnancy. 2. Your job characteristic, fast-paced, multi-phased, structured, patient-facing. Next. C. Word power. Term is pregnancy and birth that nurses need to know. Pregnancy and birth con with many new words and expression. Here is a list of some of the most common. Term is pregnancy and birth. Definition: antepartum, before the birth, appro- ap- appropriate for gestational age. Baby size is as expected for how far along you are. Breastfeeding, mother feeding her baby with milk from her breast. Next, Child Protective Service, a state agency that protect babies, cervix, lowest part or neck of the uterus that end in the back of the vagina of birth canal. Fetal heart rate, baby's heart rate measured while still in mother's uterus. Newborn, baby, next. Postpartum after the birth, prenatal during pregnancy and before birth, small for gestational age, baby size is smaller than normal for the age of the baby. Ultrasound, use of sound wave through the abdomen to get a picture of the baby size, position, age, and well-being in the uterus.
The reading a text, a newly released study guesses that teenage mothers are more likely to give birth prematurely. The report from University College Cork, Ireland says pregnant girls between the ages of 5, 5 of 14 and 17 are at a much higher risk of giving birth to premature babies. They said this was particularly so if it was a second pregnancy. The researchers found that a quarter of all teenage mothers became pregnant again before they turned 20. Head research Ali Kaskan looked at the pregnancies of over 56,000 women in the northwest of England over a three-year period. There were 3,636 women aged between 14 and 17 at the time of birth and 7,000 506 between 18 and 19. They found teenage mothers were more likely to be underweight and come from a white ethnic background. The research published their findings in the journal BMC Pregnancy and Childbirth. They call for better sex education at school and the promotion and use of contraception after a teen has given birth for the first time. The research said the rates of teenage pregnancy were related to the mother's social background. They discovered that around 30% of the teenage mothers came came from poorer areas. Mr. Kaskan also suggested the body of young teens may not to be ready for childbirth. It is possible that the increased risk of poor pregnancy outcome is related to biological immaturity. He said he also noted teenage girls did not get proper medical advice after becoming pregnant and that health service workers generally focused on them less when they had a second child. Next. Grammar. Definition: simple past tense is a form of sentence that status states that an activity started and ended in the past at a certain time. Function: simple past tense is used to tell event in the past that occurred at a certain time. Adverb of time: adverb of time that are usually used are ago, yesterday, last week, last month, last year, today, ago. In the simple past tense, the adverb of this time is read specifically. Formula: there are two kinds of sentence, namely verbal sentence using verb and nominal sentence not using verb. Both have different formulas. Simple past tense formula for verbal sentence: subject plus verb to plus complement subject I, you, we, they, she, he, it. Verb to for all subject I, you, they, we, he, she, it. Next. Subject I, you, we, they, she, he, it. Verb to-nya reguler maupun irregular verb. Complement object adjective adverb as in the simple past tense. The verb used in is the second form of the verb for verbal sentence. There are two types of verb, namely regular verbs and irregular verb. Regular verb kata kerja kedua dibentuk dari verb 1 plus ed plus d. Verb 1 stay plus ed plus ad jadi stayed. Verb 2 example I played football yesterday. Next. Irregular verb. The second verb in the irregular verb is different from the first verb. Therefore, to master irregular verb, you must memorize them. Verb 2 drink. Verb 1 drink. Verb 2 irregular verb jadi drunk. Contoh, I ate a cake yesterday. Simple past tense. Formula for nominal sentence: subject plus was or were plus complement subject I, you, they, we, he, she, it, was. For subject I, she, he, it, were. To for subject you, they, we, I. Were paired with I only when in I conditional sentence stating impossibility. Subject I, see, he, it, auxiliary was complement object adjective adverb as. Example, I was late yesterday. Those shoes were expensive. Next. Furthermore, the formulas and example are the simple past tense in the positive form, besides that the simple past tense can take the form negative using not, interrogative, questioning sentence. You can see the formula and example sentence below. Negative verbal. The main feature is to use did followed by not subject plus did plus not plus verb 1 plus complement. Subject I, you, we, they, she, he, it, did for all subject I, you, they, we, she, he, it. Example, I didn't go to school yesterday. She didn't go to school yesterday. Next.
Negative nominal. The main characteristic is to use was or were followed by not subject plus was or were plus not plus complement. Jadi ciri-ciri utama dari negatif nominal adalah menggunakan was atau were yang diikuti dengan subjek. I, you, they, we, he, she, it. Was for subject I, she, he, it. Were for subject you, they, we. Were paired with I only when in a conditional sentence stating impossibility. Example, I was not hungry yesterday. Sedangkan example yang were itu, they were not hungry yesterday. Interrogative verbal. Yes or no question. For question with yes or no answer, simply put did at the beginning of the sentence. Untuk pertanyaan dengan jawaban ya atau tidak, cukup letakkan did di awal kalimat. Did plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement subject I, you, we, they, she, he, it. Did for all subject I, you, they, we, she, he, it. Example, did you go to school yesterday? Did she go to school yesterday? Question. Questions use what, who, where, when, why, how, did at the end. Pertanyaan menggunakan what, who, where, when, why, how, ditambahkan did di belakangnya. W or H plus did plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. W or H, what, who, where, when, why, how. Subjeknya itu I, you, they, we, she, he, it. For all subject I, you, they, we, she, he, it. Example, what did you do? What did she do? Interrogative. Next, Salwa. Udah di... Ya. Ya. Interrogative nominal. Yes or no question. For question with yes or no answer, simply put was or were at the beginning of the sentence. Untuk pertanyaan dengan jawaban ya atau tidak, cukup letakkan was atau where di awal kalimat. Was or were plus subject plus complement. Subject I, you, they, we, she, he, it. Was for subject I, she, he, it. Were for subject you, they, we. Were paired with I only when in a conditional sentence stating impossibility. Example, was it nice? Were the pretty? Next, interrogative W or H question. Question use what, who, where, when, why, how, at, was, or where, after, then. Pertanyaan menggunakan what, who, where, when, why, how, ditambahkan was or where di belakangnya. W or H plus was or where plus subjek. Subjek yang digunakan itu ada I, you, they, we, he, she, it. Was for subject ada I, she, he, it. Were for subject you, they, we. Were paired with I only when in a conditional sentence stating impossibility. Example, where was he yesterday? What were they? Next. Example of sentence. The following is an example of a sentence using the simple past tense verbal. Remember the formula verbal sentence use the second verb both regular and irregular. Pay attention to the use of the second form of verb and adverbs of time in the sentence below. They played volleyball yesterday. Katie stayed at my house last week. Nominal. Remember the formula. Nominal sentence do not use verbs but used to be, was, were, not. The use of to below, I was angry, she was angry. Negative, the sentence contains the word not, the not, and not that. Not can be abbreviated. I did not go to school yesterday. She did not walk to market 2 days ago. Next, time signal. Time signal itu ada yesterday, hours ago, in, past year, and last, month, week, and years.